All the GTA games set in Liberty City never included Twin Towers, and neither will probably the future title. Thanks to modding community, we can download and install World Trade Center mod that comes with original 6 buildings of the complex. I'm gonna show you guys, as requested, how to properly install World Trade Center mod for GTA 4. First, I would recommend you to download and install GTA 4 1.4 patch. When I was installing this mod, the game would constantly crash, and then I realized the problem was caused by using wrong patch. But with this one, the mod will work perfectly. Now you gotta find the folder where your GTA 4 is installed. Right click on GTA 4 shortcut on your desktop and go to Properties and open File Location. Open downloaded patch using WinRAR or 7-zip and extract it to GTA 4 folder. Now all you have to do is simply install the patch. When all done, moving on to next step. World Trade Center mod adds a restaurant interior in the North Tower and an observation deck on the South Tower. You can use an elevator to get there, but first you gotta buy tickets in the lobby. For that, you must install Script Hook and SC Loader, or you won't be able to buy tickets and use an elevator. Script Hook can be simply downloaded, but watch out for the version. As you can see, we must install this one that works with our patch 1.4 that we installed. These are little details that you can easily miss. Trust me, it happened to me when I was installing the mod and games would constantly crash, and I was asking myself, what's the problem? I did everything right, but then I realized I installed the wrong script hook. Now you must extract these files, script hook and scripthook.net, and the folder script into your GTA 4 folder. I've already installed Script Hook in the past, so I won't need to redo the process once again. Now download SC Loader as well. And extract a file named this sound into game directory. Finally, download the World Trade Center mod by clicking on one of 2 links down in the description. The second link will lead you to version 1.7 that has a few additional features on World Trade Center Plaza. Pick whatever one you want, it really doesn't matter. And now you have to extract all these files and replace them with ones inside your GTA 4 folder. Guys, just make sure you back up those files in case of a crash by simply copying folders, common and PC, and then create a folder titled backup and paste the files there. Rest of installation process is easy, just follow my steps. Just want to say how this mod's author done a fantastic job creating this probably best GTA 4 mod to download out there. And seriously, there are not many mods to download for GTA 4. I know that there are a bunch of mods for San Andreas and GTA 5, but yeah, anyways, this one is really awesome. However, pedestrians will walk and drive their cars like our mod was never installed, which will cause pedestrians crashing their cars or walking into wall of towers. Pretty ridiculous, right? And luckily, this is easily fixable by downloading traffic fix files. In case you don't have a clue where these files are located, we're just gonna search them and replace them. Congratulations. Congratulations, you brought Twin Towers back to life. Now the last thing we have to do, let's check it out, how it works. And there you have it, the beautiful Twin Towers of the World Trade Center. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know down in comments if you have any questions, if your game crashed or something like that. I'll do my best to help you. And I see a plane, so I'm gonna end a video.